Welcome to Automate Business. Want to learn how to use Automate Business apps better and grow your business? So our events feature is designed just for that. The event feature allows you to join weekly live sessions and training classes on different topics related to the Automate Business apps. What will you learn here? In these sessions, you will learn how to use different features, understand real business problems and their solutions step by step, and gain practical knowledge you can apply in your business. We also conduct QA sessions and interactions. So here is the key value that you also get the opportunity to ask your question directly in the live QA sessions. Plus you can interact with other business owners, understand their challenges, and learn how they are using Automate Business apps in their business. And why is it useful? Because this helps you learn faster, get real insights, and improve your business process using automation. So first of all, you need to simply go to the support button on the right top of the screen. So when you click on the support button, you will see the events option here. When you click on events, you will see all the upcoming events conducted by the support team or the Automate Business teams for you. Here, you can see if there is any session going live. Click on Live to see live sessions. You will see past sessions here and all sessions here. If you click on upcoming sessions, you will see all the upcoming sessions. So now, for example, on the 3rd of April at 5 p.m., our business support team is conducting a session on managing employee leaves and attendance approval in one system. The second session is Automate leads, hiring, feedback, and follow-ups. The third session is track every sales opportunity. These sessions are conducted on a weekly basis. To register for these sessions, simply click on the register button. Once you click on the register button, you will see the join session option here. Once you click on join session, it will redirect you to the Google Meet window, and then you can simply join the session on Google Meet directly from here. Once you click on add calendar, this session event will be added to your calendar as well. This is how you can join the event from the Automate Business application and get the real-life problem solutions in the event section. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.